In the 21st century, India has excelled in almost all sectors with the help of advanced technology. But there is one sector where India falls behind. Even today, for cooking and boiling water, the old method of mud stove is used in almost 80 million households. Every single day, approximately 480 million, that is 48 crore kg wood is used in these 80 million households for stoves. It is proven that a lady who cooks for 4 hours on this traditional mud stove is prone to inhale smoke which is equivalent to 40 cigarettes, which reduces her lifespan by almost 10 years. Even her children are highly susceptible to lung diseases due to this smoke. The government is providing clean fuel, LPG, with the help of Ujjwala Yojana. But the biggest hurdle here is the mindset of people. After rigorous efforts of 8 long years, Team Agneekaa has been successful in creating low-emission stoves. Agneekaa EcoMini Improved Cooking Stove. The smoke emission in Agneekaa EcoMini is just 10% compared to the traditional mud stove, and it is 3 times more efficient. Due to advanced technology used in the making of Agneekaa EcoMini, more than 50 to 70% of firewood can be saved. The time required for cooking is also significantly reduced.
The Agneekaa EcoMini is smokeless, as well as it's amazingly beneficial for the environment. But the best factor is the food cooked on Agneekaa EcoMini is as delicious and as mouth-watering like traditional mud chula.
Our purpose is simply to make people happy and at the same time give a little contribution towards clean energy and environment.
We aim to provide EcoMini stoves to at least 1 lakh rural households so we can save 10 crore kg firewood from being burnt and prevent 17 crore kg of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere. And those 1 lakh rural women and children will be able to breathe clean and fresh air. So, be a part of this remarkable journey and join us in bringing a smile to all these families.